Hello everyone, and today I received a pretty interesting parcel, didn't I, little one? Didn't I? So my good friend Marco and Soras.art sent me another parcel, and they requested that I do an unboxing video for it. So you can see that I've unceremoniously covered up all the important information, but hey, I used what I had to do what I needed to do. So anyway, I've already undone all the tape, well, cut through the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. But I can kind of guess what's in it because I'm guessing they had to do this for customs because they had to write it down the side. But isn't this dinosaur cute? I'm guessing Sora did that. Thank you. Okay. Bird, you gonna help me open? Yes? Okay. Let's get open, shall we? Ready to help? Oh, big scary, was it? Was it a big scary? Ooh. What's inside? Pom bears? Yummy. What else have we got? Jelly bees. I think we get these in Australia. I've never tried them though. I think we get these. Mini chards. Are they chips? I'm not too sure. Squishies? I'm guessing they're marshmallows? Not too sure. Oh, I did request these. So I requested some sort of bake your own mixes and stuff like that. So what have we got? Yorkshire pudding mix. Ooh, this excites me. Yum. That's going to be yummy. Oh, and here's the one I really did request. Some scone mix from England. So we love our scones here in Queensland. We usually make pumpkin scones up here. My dad's really good at making pumpkin scones. Are you excited by pumpkin scones too? Do they excite you? So it'll be good to try some actual scones from England, even though it's just like a packet mix. It'll be pretty cool to try something. Okay. Oh, hang on. I see some stickers. These will be from Sora. She's a really adorable artist. She's got a really cute style that I wish I could grasp myself. Like, look at these. They're so cute. So cute. I'll link her page down below, but she does sell some really adorable stickers. Oh, now I can't move them. What else have we got? Oh, what is this? What are you? Oh, a Freddo. We do get Freddos here. We don't get this though. I don't know what that is. Ooh. Oh, this is Toblerone. I do know Toblerone. We do get Toblerone here. My mum loves Toblerone. It's a Swedish chocolate, I believe. Yes, Switzerland. Oh, this must be a special surprise. But we'll open that last. This is a notebook that we sent, the sketchbook we send back and forth where we draw a picture in it each time. So I'll open up to the first lame picture I drew. Very lame. And then I'll show Soras. I'm guessing Soras? Yes. Look at that adorable buddy. That must be their putty cat. No. Oh, and of course Marco. Here to show us all up on art skills. That's really cool. Rexy. Now I've got to add something and try and make it epic. Oh, we do get this. This is my sister's favourite chocolate. Cody will be jealous. Jam drops. Well, these aren't called jam drops. We do get jam drops here. These are different though. You reckon? They're good? They're going to be interesting to try. What else have we got? Ah, we do get these here. Shortbreads. This is what my husband and my dad really like. Yep, you like them too, do you? Okay. Oh, so here is the big mystery box. Ooh, okay, well I'll get to opening the bubble wrap in the box and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so what I gather is both these are from Sora, and she's been sculpting a little bit lately, so I'm wondering, because we did say we're going to do a trade, but I haven't had time, because if you are not in the know, I'm currently studying to be a pilot, and it's made everything in my art life slow right down. As you can see, that's all my textbooks over there, and exams, and but hopefully I'll have some spare time soon, because I'm about to get my first and second license, because I'm about to finish the exams and the textbooks for them. So fingers crossed I pass, and then I can have some spare time while I do aerobatics training rather than going to my third license. I am going to go to my third license, but I'm going to do some aerobatics training first, aren't I, buddy? Because I want to fly at air shows. Okay. That's enough about me. Let's get into these boxes. But yes, I am getting to Sora's trade, and I will be working again with Simo very soon. I actually have to start sculpting that very soon. But yes, sorry for my channel. I am working on my art when I actually have time, and I don't have much time at the moment. But anyway, let's get into these, because it's what people actually want to see. Well, I hope that's what people want to see. Okay, I thought that was going to be easier to undo, but that's why I did not do the bubble wrap. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try it with the box, and then I'll untape that. Okay. You watching, little one? You watching? Uh-oh. Hello, what's it say? 2 sweet fox wings. My first ever custom... Oh! Sora. Oop, I need to get my scalpel and get into all this. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got them kind of open, and just before anyone comments below, yes, I do sound extremely tired. Again, that's to do with the studying. I work all day and then I come home and study, and yeah, that's my life at the moment. But anyway, yes, I am tired, but let's get into these. Okay, so I already have a feeling I know what that is. And if it is what I think it is, I'm going to have to do a lovely little review for it. But anyway, let's get into this. Ha ha ha, I feel like Ellen Grant. Now I need to go find a small child to terrorize. Shik, shik. That is heaps cool, Sora. That looks exactly like the one from the movie. It's like a really, really well-made replica. Well done. Sora is studying to work in the movie industry. I'm extremely jealous. Wow. So it's not like... It's expected that she can make movie quality stuff. Like, look at that. How cool is that? This is what your ancestors' claws look like. This is how big your claws were generations ago. You little raptor. You're my little raptor. Smart enough to be one. Jeez, you are too intelligent for your own good. Okay, let's get in to what I'm guessing is my next Hypocano to my collection, because if you don't know, I love Hypocanos. I even have a tattoo of a Hypocano on me. Okay, one armed, get out, try not to break. I'm out. Oh, did that intrigue you, did it? Okay, let's try and get these beans out of the way. Oi, buddy, I don't think that's good enough for you to chew. Don't you growl at me. I don't think you can chew on them. I don't know if they're good for raptor birds. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. Come on, camera, focus for me. That is beautiful. Look at all that water effect, and you got some grass and rocks. I love this grass. I need to find some of this grass myself. That's really cool. And she's got some longer grass here. It's really, really well made. But anyway, I'm going to shoot to a review camera so you can have a better look at Sora's art. Okay, shooting over. Bye, bird. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this piece that Soras.art has made me. Look how beautiful it is. It's just so cool. So, let me know if I'm wrong, but judging by these seam lines, I'm going to guess that this is a custom figure that she started off with a Jurassic World mini Carnotaurus figure. I'm going to assume. I haven't personally seen this Carnotaurus figure myself, and then she's come in and customized it into the glorious King of Beasts, the Hypocarno. I love the Hypocarno so much, which is pretty obvious. I know, I'm sorry. She's done such a really good job with the paint and the sculpt, and she's used like a, looks like a herb mix for like leaf debris, these different tufts of grass, and this grass texture here. I'm not too like, I know you can buy a turf sort of matte. I've got some myself, but this color effect is really nice. But yeah, she's done such a good job. She's even added resin water in here. Like, yeah, she's done a fantastic job. I am truly impressed with her work here. Like, nice little close up for you guys. Hopefully you get all the detail views. And then I'll quickly talk about the claw that she's expertly made as well. Yeah, that's that beautiful Hypocarno to add to my beautiful collection that I'm very grateful to have. It's okay. So here is the claw she's sculpted me. So I don't actually own a replica from the movie, but I've been dying to get one, and so I'm actually really excited to own this. It looks exactly like the casts that you can buy online, which I'm not sure if they're cast directly from the movie or if someone sculpted them and then sold the cast. I'm not too sure. But Sora's done a fantastic job here. This looks like the part. It's really well made, and her paint job is extremely good. Yeah. Well, she's training to work in the movie industry, and this looks exactly like what it's from. She's done a fantastic job. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. I am working on a sculpture for Simo very soon. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what I'm working on. That was a little sneak peek. But yes, thank you for watching the unboxing. Thank you to Marco and Soras.art for continuing in our little pen pal thing that we have going on. And yeah, thank you so much for this sculpture. I'll have to make something in return for both of yous. And yes, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye!